Very soon, women will have access to a birth control pill without having a prescription or even seeing a doctor. NBC Local 33's Cindy Simone breaks down everything you need to know about this new contraceptive.
We want to empower women so that if they have an unplanned activity coming up that they can't get in to see an OBGYN, that they can run to the store and jump on a birth control pill.
And that pill is called Opill. The FDA makes a historic decision to approve the first over-the-counter progesterone-only contraceptive.
There's really only a few medical conditions out there that patients cannot take progesterone. And so even postpartum women can take progesterone-only birth control pills.
As of now, Opill doesn't have any age restrictions.
It's important for parents to just have conversations.
Abby Ledoux, a spokesperson for Planned Parenthood Gulf Coast, says this is a good option for people who don't have easy access to health insurance or a doctor.
Removing that barrier will really help people who already struggle to get access through our healthcare system, and especially people who face a lot of stigma and discrimination in the healthcare system.
Medical professionals say the downside to Opill is mood changes.
Some studies that have shown that young people and adolescents that take the progesterone-only birth control pill report more feelings of depression. The reality is having an unplanned pregnancy can also cause feelings of depression.
And although Opill works within 2 days of use, it's not as effective as other contraceptives.
When you compare effectiveness, it's probably a little less effective than condoms with perfect use. We think that progesterone-only pills are about 93% effective.
Ledoux says with abortion restrictions in Louisiana, Opill gives women more options.
But I also just want to say it's not a solution to restricting abortion. It is just part of the full spectrum of care.
Opill is set to release early 2024. Right now, there's no set cost for this over-the-counter birth control. Cindy Simone, NBC Local 33 News.
Now, doctors say more than 100 countries offer birth control pills without a prescription. Now, if you're weighing the pros and cons of Opill, health experts say you should talk with your doctor.